Hey guys, I'm Rhonda Draculis with RK3 Designs, and I am so excited to bring y'all this video. We are actually on location. We had some customers come in that were gonna actually do a DIY project on their own. They came in to buy some products, and I saw an opportunity to be able to shoot some content. So I'm here to help them. We're gonna be doing a dirty pour, and I'm super excited. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Okay, so we're here with Trey. He's the homeowner. And Trey, I'm gonna ask you a couple of questions.
Yes, ma'am.
So first of all, how did you find me? And why are you wanting to do epoxy countertops
versus anything else? Well, after extensive research, I stumbled across your epoxy page. We looked into quartz, we looked into granite. With everything going on in the family, cooking, cleaning, drinking wine, you see spills. With granite and everything being natural stone, you know, everything just soaks into it. Spill wine, soaks into quartz. So I just think the durability of epoxy and everything is gonna be the best route to go.
Good, all right, so you have custom built, you and your dad have built these countertops, and you built them out of MDF, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and then you've prepped, and we'll put a link in the comments below on how to prep for these countertops. Tell me a little bit about cost, like comparative costs, you know, compared to the granite that you were looking at, laminate maybe that you were looking at. Where did this?
It was actually, but like it was a little more than laminate just because of taste and stuff like that. But granted, I think it cut our costs way more than half with everything that we're going to be doing. Compared to the granite and stuff.
Awesome. Okay, cool. All right, so we're going to get started. All right, so the colors that they have chosen, our color palette's going to be kind of on the whites and cream side. But we are gonna come in with some darker accents. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix up a large bucket, and that's gonna be all of our light colors. Then we're gonna have a smaller bucket, and that's where we're gonna mix in our darker colors. Now, we're gonna have to mix quite a few buckets. So each time we mix, obviously we're not gonna be mixing it the exact same way. So the colors are gonna be different going into the bucket. But because they're gonna be all the same color, we're gonna get a really cool design. Oh, look at you. Did you work on a bar?
Yep.
Okay, I'll do one more cup and then I'll put the rest of it, I'll put on. Perfect. We'll do 2 of each color. Now the reason we do the spray paint in between is because the propellants in the paint cause some really cool designs because it kind of fights with the epoxy. So this is basically just a grease coat, and it's just gonna help the epoxy flow. You don't have to do this. It just makes it a little easier. We do want this to flow, but the fact that we're having to mix bucket after bucket after bucket, the fact we're not gonna have it on all of them is gonna make them move a little slower, which is kind of what we're gonna need it to do. That's gonna look cool with that white vein running through it right there. And it doesn't have to be thick at all. Perfect, excellent. Okay, good. The color coat is dry, it's been 24 hours, and we're gonna go to the flood coat. We'll do 3 ounces per square foot. We don't need to tape because we're not using extra product. So after that, we'll let it dry again for 24 hours and to come in with either a gloss or a matte. So what do you think the homeowners should do, gloss or matte? Let me know below. All right, so let's get pouring. All right, Trey, your kitchen is done. What do you think?
I think it's wonderful. I love it. It turned out better than I even imagined.
Really? What did you think about the process?
You know, it was intimidating at first, but you really broke it down step by step and made it so seamless and easy to do. And I mean, the RK3 design team was there every step of the way, and I really appreciate everything y'all have done with the help.
You did your bathroom all by yourself.
I did.
I am so proud of him. So he literally just tackled it, went in full force, and his bathroom turned out amazing. He did the shower panels and also the countertop. So I'm so very proud of him.
And I do think it's a product I will put in my forever homes from here on out as well.
Awesome.
There's really not any bad
comments. Good. How easy are they to take care of?
Easy. I just wipe them down with some Myers cleaning and we're good to go.
All right. Good.
Can't see scratches. So
well, I'm so happy that you are happy. And
absolutely.
Guys, like I said, I am thrilled about the way the whole transformation of this kitchen turned out. I hope you liked this video. I love the transformation that the homeowner did to this whole kitchen. We did end up doing a matte finish. And if you would like to see a tutorial on how to do that finish, we will be linking that in the description of this video. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Leave me comments below. And remember, all of these products can be purchased on our website, RK3designs.com. Also, subscribe to our channel and click the bell for future notifications. That way, you guys will know every time we post a video or we go live. We also have an online course, onlineepoxypro.com, which gives you very detailed instructions, contracts, bid sheets, if you're interested in starting your own business. So check that out. I would also like to invite everyone to our new Insiders group on Facebook. It's called RK3 Designs Epoxy Insiders. Check us out and join the fun. All right, guys, until next week, remember, don't be scared, move forward, and be creative.